Hi, I'm James Killinglaw for Insider Travel Report. I'm here with two good friends, Anna Nash, who's the Global President for Explora Journeys, and Chris Austin, who's the President North America for Explora Journeys. And we're here at the launch of a brand new campaign, a new advertisement that you're going to be seeing a lot of, I think, over time. And we're going to talk about this new ad and how it follows through to the ocean state of mind that Explora Journeys is trying to create. You'll hear that and more on Insider Travel Report.
Maybe the best suite comes with a new view every day. Maybe the news feels fresher with an ocean breeze. Maybe the chicest wake-up call is sunrise at sea. Maybe the most exclusive address is longitude and latitude. Maybe the hottest spot in town isn't in town at all. Maybe swimming in the ocean doesn't have to be freezing. Maybe the finest dinner is even finer with a sunset view. Maybe the smallest details make the biggest statements. Maybe the best rooftop doesn't need a city. Maybe the most romantic dinner can take you to the moon and back. Maybe one check-in unlocks multiple destinations. Maybe the best hotel isn't a hotel. Explora Journeys. Explore the ocean state of mind.
Great to see you, Anna. How are you?
Thank you for being here. Very well, thank you.
And Chris?
Yep, always good, James.
Yeah, last time we were at ILTM together, and now we're here in New York City, and it's the brand launch of this campaign, and the campaign is maybe. Well, not really maybe. What is the campaign theme?
Well, the campaign is really the ocean state of mind, but you'll see in the campaign, and I hope the viewers will watch, it talks about maybe. And it's really addressing perhaps some of the questions, some of the stigma that still exists around our industry. And we're really trying to reframe the narrative, put a new lens on ocean travel in a very witty and quirky way through this campaign.
And then one of the things is maybe the best hotel is not a hotel.
Maybe the best hotel isn't a hotel.
And we're here at a rooftop bar. Maybe the best rooftop bar isn't
Not in a city.
Is
not in a city,
That's
James.
it.
Exactly.
So this is the theme of this campaign, and it does follow your ocean state of mind, right?
It does, and I think, as a family-owned brand, we have permission to be different, to be bold, to start a new conversation, to reframe ocean travel, as I said, and I think this campaign really helps put a different spotlight into our industry. I think it will not just benefit us, but actually our industry as a whole, and I think it will get consumers that already understand cruising and are perhaps avid cruisers, but perhaps those that are new to cruise, it might have them thinking, maybe this is for me.
So you're out there selling to a lot of advisors out here in North America. How do you want them to use this campaign to try to get new customers that, I think you said it on the panel, that maybe just originally said, oh, I don't know if I like a cruise, right?
Yeah, no, that's a great point. The travel advisor community has a huge opportunity. Clear reports 3 to 4% of travelers take a cruise a year. If you actually translate that probably means that only 3, 4, 5, 6, 7% of travel advisors are really booking a cruise. So we are presenting with them an incredible opportunity to present our beautiful Explora Journeys, our fleet of operating 2 ships now, the 3rd launching this summer. And of course, we're at the midway point of the launch of our brand. We'll have 6 ships by 2028, so huge opportunity. My advice to the travel advisor, and our campaign will do it, you're going to see your phones ringing and more of your clients coming in and saying, I've seen this campaign, tell me more about Explora Journeys. I'm not a cruiser, but I think I really would love to experience that.
Maybe it's for me, after all. Maybe.
Maybe
is endless.
The maybe is endless, and one of the things is there's no truth to the rumor that you both came from hotel backgrounds and you're trying to turn cruising into hotels.
No, I think we're just reframing it in a very fun way. Yeah. I suppose we're thinking about ourselves as a floating hotel whose address is the ocean and really leaning into that true hospitality heritage, perhaps, that we both come from, but I think it's just reframing the narrative, really talking about the benefits of ocean travel that perhaps people don't think of when they consider what vacation they want to go on.
No, absolutely.
I think there's one point as well that the travel advisor who sells hotels and resorts knows, and that's many of the hotels are iconic. They're destinations to themselves, yes, and you celebrate that. Our ship, Explora 1 and Explora 2 currently, they are destinations to themselves as well. And that's why the campaign really focuses on the on-board life that a guest will obviously experience. Now, itineraries, the destinations we visit are very important, which is why also the travel advisor will see destination theming coming into this campaign as well.
Well, you made in your panel a point that you're not tied to one place. You have a lot of destinations where this hotel, floating hotel, is going to be. And then somebody asked the question of at a time when a lot of hotels are trying to get in the cruise industry. We all know about Four Seasons and Ritz-Carlton and Orient Express and on and on. You were kind of going a little against the grain there, right?
I don't think we're going against the grain. I think we welcome those brands taking to the waters because they will add more credibility to the sector in which we're operating in. And I think, as I said, we're a trailblazing brand ourselves. We've got deep-rooted maritime heritage with the Aponte Vargo family, and I think that sets us at an advantage already. But as I said, when the water in the harbour rises, all of the boats will rise together. So I genuinely welcome this opportunity that they bring, adding credibility to our space. And I suppose our campaign really questions that thought. Luxury has always had a fixed address. Maybe it shouldn't.
No, I agree. And having been,
It's actually the ocean.
that's absolutely true. Any closing thoughts on this? And you're going to roll this campaign out in multimedia all over?
Global campaign. Yes, it's across all mediums: TV, connected television, print, digital. You'll see it everywhere. And actually, a dedicated campaign within a campaign for our trade partners, which Chris and his team.
Oh, so you're going to do that. Any closing thoughts, Chris, about this new campaign?
Well, the campaign is going to really position cruising, Explora Journeys as a real opportunity for our travel advisors who aren't selling, obviously. It will also make those loyal cruisers probably smile a little bit, take more note, and obviously retail. We want the travel advisor to retell our story. It's all about opportunity, James, and the travel advisor. We wouldn't be here today without you, so thank you. That's my closing word always. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
And Anna, closing thoughts on this new campaign, because you were giving a great presentation about the whole thing, and we watched the campaign, and you're going to get a chance to see some of it. We've already done the story that you've seen probably yesterday, and now you're seeing, talking to Anna and Chris about it.
Honestly, we're thrilled with it. There's been a lot of love poured into this, a lot of thought, a lot of listening to our customers and our trade partners, and maybe this is just the start of something very exciting.
Fantastic. Well, great to see you both here in New York this time. We see you all the time. Cannes, New York, where are we going? No place, because you got a cruise. We can go anywhere. Actually, sorry, can't say the word cruise. Ocean travel. I can't say the word cruise. Good to see you guys, and great to be here in New York. I'm James Shillinglaw, and this is Insider Travel Report.